Good morning, children. I hope you all are happy and healthy. Yesterday, we learned about insects. I gave you a worksheet also. I hope you all have done that worksheet. Now today, we are going to revise the same insects and we are also going to do an activity. So are you ready for today's session?
Ant. Ant यानी चींटी. Kids, you must have seen ants in your house, right? They are either red or black in color. They have 6 legs and 2 antennas. Do you know? Ants always live in a really big colonies. They all together march from one place to another in search of food, and they get into almost everything. This is a mosquito. Mosquito have 6 legs, 2 antennas and 1 sucker through which they suck blood from human body. आप बोलते हो ना मम्मा को, मम्मा मुझे मच्छर ने काट लिया. Yes, because mosquito feed on human blood and they cause disease like malaria and dengue fever. Housefly, commonly known as fly. They are black in color. They have 6 legs and transparent wings to fly. Housefly are commonly found in homes, on garbage, or on open food items. They spread germs by sitting on food. So we should always keep our food covered and our homes clean. Cockroach. They are a common kind of insects that are found in many places. They are blackish or brownish in color. Cockroaches have 6 legs, 2 wings and 2 antennas, which they use as nose and mouth to taste and smell food. Kids, have you seen cockroaches? क्या आपने कॉकरोच को किचन या बाथरूम में देखा है? Yes, they creep around in dirty places. Honeybee. Yes, from the name only you will come to know that this bee gives honey. Honeybee is yellow and black or brown in color. Can you see the beautiful stripes on its body? Yes, honeybee have 6 legs, 2 wings and 5 eyes. This is a honeycomb where the honeybees collect honey. How do they make honey? Yes, they make honey from the nectar of flowers. This is a caterpillar. Caterpillar is a small insect with soft body. They are seen in different colors. But do you know they are mostly of same color as their habitat. They feed on leaves of trees and plants. They eat a lot because they need energy to turn themselves into a beautiful butterfly. Ladybird. Isn't it a beautiful insect? Yes, it is a tiny beautiful insect. It is generally red in color with black spots. They are happy in many different homes like grass, forest, cities and riversides. A ladybird has 6 legs, 2 antennas and a hard outer shell with wings inside to fly. This is a dragonfly. It is a flying insect and it is in variety of colors. A dragonfly can be easily identified by its long body, transparent wings, two large eyes and 6 legs. We can see dragonfly in garden, on flowers and plants. They eat other small insects as food. Beetle. It is an insect found on wood, wool, carpets. They have flat body, 2 antennas and 6 legs. Some beetles have wings also. They eat leaves of plants and trees as food. Grasshopper. From the name, you can make out it is green as grass and it hops. That is, it jumps. Grasshopper has 6 legs, 2 antennas. They eat plants and hence they damage crops. They are commonly brown and green in color. They jump long distances. They live in green grass, on plants and on trees.
Children, now we are going to make a ladybird. What is the color of a ladybird? Red and black. So for this, you will need 3 red colored paper circles. 1 black colored circle which is smaller than the red one. 2 small round paper for eyes. Ladybird have 2 antennas. So like this, 2 small cuttings for antenna. 1 ice cream stick, 1 black marker and glue. So let's start. सबसे पहले हम लेंगे 1 रेड सर्कल पेपर. अब हम इसको स्टिक करेंगे ब्लैक पेपर के साथ. ऐसे. So this is our ladybird's body. What do ladybird have? 2 wings. So let's make wings. आपको इन सर्कल को ऐसे हाफ फोल्ड करना है. Fold both the circular papers. अब इनको हम बॉडी पे स्टिक करेंगे. This way. One here and other one here. See, a ladybird have wings. Now we'll stick eyes. आपको ऐसे 2 white circle लेने हैं. 2 eyes. Now we'll make eyes with the marker. Now what do we have to make? Yes, ladybird have black spots on its body. So let's make black spots. Like this, you have to make spots. Now we will stick this two antennas. One over here. And one over here. See, our ladybird is ready. Now we'll stick this on the ice cream stick. So, our beautiful ladybird is ready.
Now we will see solution for the given worksheet. I hope you all have done. Here we have to put tick for insects and cross for other animals. So first picture is of a bee. Bee is an insect, so we will put a tick. Next is a butterfly. Yes, it is also an insect, so we will put a tick. Next is a fish. No, fish is not an insect, so we will put a cross in the box. Rabbit, we will put cross. Ant, insect, so we will put a tick in the box. Ladybird, ladybird is an insect, again a tick. Snake, no, snake is not an insect, so we will put a cross. Dragonfly, yes, dragonfly is an insect, put a tick mark. Spider, spider is an insect, again put a tick mark. Snail, yes, snail is also an insect, so again we will put a tick in the box.
So children, I hope you enjoyed our today's session along with activity. See you again in next session with some more fun. Till then, take care. Bye bye.